guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the title, I'll be doing my hair. I'll be braiding my hair, and some of my hair will be crocheted. So yes, so I just washed my hair, I blew it out and I've moisturized it, and now I'm going to start my braiding. So this is the hair I'll be using. I twisted, I pre-twist some of them. Basically I got a string and I twist it over it so it will have the loop when I take it off. So yes, but I want it to look like I braid my entire hair, so I have hair that I'm going to be braiding around. So I'll be doing like 2 rows at the front, the side, and the back, and then the rest will be crocheted. Yeah, so let's do this. Okay, so I'll be sitting here and see if I can actually get it done here. So I got my mirror, got my hair, and I got my comb. So let's see. I'm gonna first part out the first row. Oh, and I also got scrunchies. And then I'm gonna take my hair and section it. What I like about this hair is that I don't have to feather it for myself. So it came like this. So that is good. I'm just going to pull that out, and this is half of a pack. So 2 of these came in 1 pack. I don't even remember what the name of this hair is right there with the packets. I'm going to take a piece, and now the pieces that I twist were about this thick, so I'm going to make sure that when I use them they are also this thick, so they're not thicker than the rest. Done, and so many to go. It's not that neat, but it'll do. because I'm kind of out of hair. So I just did 2 rows in the front. The rest needs to be done. So let me show you the amount of hair I have. This is all the hair I have left, so it means I'm gonna have to go buy like 1 or 2 more packs of hair so I can do around, because I gotta do like this side about 2 rows, same thing over here, and then the back 2 rows, and then I cane her and put in these. So yeah, I need at least 1 pack more, but I'm gonna buy an extra in case that's not enough. Alright guys, so I finished braiding around my hair, so now it's just 2, and I have braided, like, so you guys can see. So basically I have the things now to crochet into my hair. Hey guys, so this is how my hair turned out. Yeah.